Hi, this is Tom from the WellVet team. Just thought I'd do a quick video in case any of you are struggling to get onto the platform for our virtual 2020 event that's happening this Saturday, 23rd of May. You should have bought your ticket by now, and once you've bought your ticket, you should have received an email from us asking you to download the app for the event. If you've not had an email, if you could send us an email to virtual2020@wellvet.co.uk as quickly as possible, and we'll look into why you've not had that email and try and get you on the platform as quickly as possible. So all being well, you've received an email from us. Now it's quite important that you need to sign up to the platform on your phone first. If that's not possible for you, then again, please just drop us an email, and there is another way that we can get you on there, so we'll get that sorted for you. But if you've got a phone, if you've got a smartphone, then you should be able to download the app and get set up. So this is the email that you should have received, and if you view that on your phone, about halfway down there's a link that says click here, and when you click on that, it'll take you to your relevant app store, whether it's Android App Store or the Apple App Store, or depending on which device you've got, in that app store, if you download the Hoover app, then it should look something like that. The camera will focus. So then once you've downloaded it, open up the Hoover app, and if you click the button that says sign up, sign in, and then it gives you a few options, but you need to sign in using an email address, and that email address must be the email address which you gave us when you bought your ticket. That's the way that we're identifying people onto the platform, so it's really important that you use that same email address. So I'll just do this quickly so I can show you. So once you put your email address in, then you get the next screen where it asks you to set up a password. I'll just do that. And confirm your name. And then when you click next, it'll ask you for a profile picture. So you can choose one off your phone, or you can take one to use. And then it'll ask you if you want to add any more detail to your profile. On the actual platform, you'll be able to see all the other delegates who are taking part. You've each got a profile, so you can fill in details and things about yourself. So please fill in as much or as little as you want on there. And then once you've done all that, you'll get through to the app home screen, which has got several different functions on it. There's a community forums section where there's already loads of forums set up and people are interacting on there already prior to the event, which is great. You can also see all the attendees, and then down the bottom there's also a button that says agenda. Now this is what you need for the actual day. So on the agenda we've got all the sessions that we've got running on the day set up in there, so when you want to view a session when the time is right, then go into the agenda, click on that session, which will look something a bit like this. And in there's a button that says live stream, and when you click that button, it'll launch the live stream within the app, and you can then watch it on your phone. You can also watch it on your desktop. Just below the live screen button on the phone, there's another button that says Watch Desktop. When you click that, you'll get an email from Hoover, which looks something like this. So if you go to that email on your phone, click the link, and then if you sign in with the same details that you used when you set up the app on your phone, just need to select password. And then when you sign in, this is the web version of the app, where you can see all the same functionality that you had on the phone. And again, we've got the agenda. So for one of the sessions, so 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, if you want to go on the session with Louise Lloyd, then you'll click on there and click the View Live Stream button, and that will take you into the session. So that's it really. Just a couple of things to mention. If you're having any trouble whatsoever downloading the Hoover app or getting onto the platform, or you've got any queries of a technical nature at all, please send us an email to virtual2020@wellvet.co.uk. We'll get back to you as quickly as we possibly can and get you set up and get you on the platform. That applies for both before the event and also during the event. If you're having any technical issues, the quickest way to get in touch with us is to send us an email. And the other thing just to mention is that on some devices, so I know on the iPhone, when you open up a live stream, it'll ask you for permission to share, to use the camera on your phone, and in order to set that up on an iPhone, you actually have to go into the privacy settings and allow Hoover access in privacy. There is a link that pops up and it takes you to those settings. It may well be similar for other types of phones and other devices. If it's asking for any kind of permissions, that sort of thing, then please allow allow Hoover to have access, and that should solve any issues that you've got. But as I say, if you're really struggling, or you just can't get on at all, you can't work it out, then please do drop us an email, and we look forward to seeing you at WellVet 2020. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.